Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Study with Fiza. Today I am going to share 5 tips that will help you to stay motivated throughout the school year. So before diving into our topic, let me do sorry for not showing any performance on the channel. It was because of my exams first and then there were many other issues of which I could not show any performance. I hope you would understood my reason behind a long gap. But I am again with you and we are starting again our journey through this video. So without any further delays, let's get started this video. My tip number 1, set meaningful goals. Your goals should be meaningful. They should be realistic, specified, measurable and attainable so that we can achieve it. After setting a goal, the next step is find your why. It is the reference point for all your decisions and actions. Finding your why means that why do you want to achieve that goal. After finding your why, you will be more consistent with your goal and your why will be the reason you will be motivated and consistent with that goal. Tip number 3, break it down. The next step is breaking your goals into chunks so that it would become easy for you to reach on the deadline of your goal. Breaking down your goals will ensure that you are consistently taking steps towards achieving the life you desire. Tip number 4, create your vision board. Visualize your goals by creating a vision board. Now, how can you do this? Write your favorite motivated quotes which aligns with your goals and display them in your study area. This will help you to stay motivated throughout your study. Now my last but not the least tip, my tip number 5, develop a study routine. To stay motivated and consistent with your studies and goals, you will need to develop a study routine which will help you to manage your tasks. So, how can you develop your study routine? First of all, make a list of the subjects which are involved in your syllabus. Then, pick the hard subjects and give them most of your time to improve yourself in those subjects. Like if you are weak in maths, so spend your most of the time by solving maths problem and then you can give your remaining time to your medium and then the easiest subjects. So that's all for today's video. Here I shared my 5 tips which you can try for yourself to stay motivated throughout the school year. If you be consistent with these 5 tips, then I am sure that you will get 100% results. So be consistent with these tips to score highest marks in exams. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for my upcoming amazing videos. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.